this issue of the food insecurity. Now, you heard the opposition leader in the news clip we played say that 55% of Jamaicans are food insecure. And I know the opposition leader knows the language very well, the English language, very, very well. So when he says that 55% of Jamaicans are food insecurity, I take him to mean that he's talking about the current condition, that today on this day in sports, yesterday, the day before, and the day before, and the days before, which is why he can say now are, and this is something the opposition says a lot. Is that true? Based on the United Nations, Latin America and the Caribbean Regional Food Overview of Food Security and Nutrition for 2024, the 55.1% quoted by the opposition leader was true for the period 2021 to 2023. That's when the study was done. That's when the data was collected. And the report on the 55% was for data captured during that period, 2021 to 2023. Now, I know that many experts in the language are listening to this and will listen to this. So I want them to tell me if data captured between 2021 and 2023 said something about that data. If over 2 years later, it is correct and appropriate to say are when representing to the findings taken over 2 years before. If you say yes, then I'll have to reorient my thinking and adjust my attitude. But for what I know, for what I was taught, basic school, infant school, primary school, high school, university. If you say something and you say are, 55% of Jamaicans are suffering from food insecurity, present continuous, then clearly you're talking about the prevailing situation and you couldn't be talking about data collected 2 years ago.